Mr. Vice Principal, teachers, here myself Diksha Maurya, where I am Karnu. So today we are going to have one presentation. So in this presentation, first I am going to show you one picture. It contains some words. It is a memorizing game to test your memory. And you have to remember how many words you can remember. If you are able to remember more words, then you are having more memorizing power. So I will show that picture for 10 seconds. So let's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time up.
Okay. How many words you remember? Maximum words. Raise your hand.
Round.
Yes. Number of words. Maximum words.
Mean, mode, medium, scale, pattern, decimal, fraction.
Okay.
Proportion.
Please clap. Award for this very intelligent student.
So all might have understood what is our topic. So our topic is gamification in learning.
So what is gamification in learning? The main goal of gamification are to enhance certain ability, introduce objectives that give learning and purpose, change student, optimize learning, support behavior change, and socialize.
So what is gamification? Gamification is that approach of teaching in which the learner learns the best with having fun, having activities and games in the class. When we are having activities and games in the teaching learning process, that way of teaching is known as gamification. So next slide. So here I am going to show you one video of game. So all of you watch this video carefully.
बच्चों, आज आपके सामने जहां हम लोग खड़े हैं, एक खेल हम खेलने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है रिवर और बैंक। आपके सामने लिख भी दिया गया है, देखो 2 लाइनें खींच दी गई हैं जिसके बीच में लिखा है रिवर, यानी कि यहाँ नदी बह रही है, और जहां लाइन पर आप खड़े हैं इसे बोलते हैं रिवर बैंक। खेल ये है कि मैं रिवर और बैंक में से कोई एक शब्द बोलूंगा, मेरे शब्द को ध्यान से आपको सुनना है और उसी स्थान पर जो शब्द लिखा है वहां पर कूदना है आपको। अगर आप गलत शब्द पर कूदते हो तो आप बाहर हो जाओगे। समझ में आ गया? हंस के तो दिखा दो थोड़ी देर, ताली बजाओ मेरे बच्चे। मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनेंगे और आप लोग भी ध्यान रखेंगे कि कौन बच्चा आउट हो गया, कौन ठीक है रह गया। तो शुरू करें। रिवर, बैंक, रिवर, वेरी गुड, बैंक।
So now I request any 2 teachers to come here and play this game, please. Any 2 teachers?
One here and one this side. Okay. Start the game. River. Bang. Bang. So over chance. This is a river. Bang. Bang. River. River. Out. Out. So winner is Action River. Please clap. For this.
Next.
Next is the introduction. Educational gamification purpose the use of games like rule system, player experience, and culture. Rule to help learning, behavior properly, development, e-learning. With use, gamification can increase satisfaction, engagement, effectiveness, and efficiency of student.
As we all know that after COVID we are equipped with laptops and mobile phone. So nowadays technology plays a vital role in gamification. There are so many technological platforms like Google Classroom, Easy Classroom, Whiteboard. We can use these games in the class, in online classes also and in offline classes also. So using technology we can have so many games and activities in the class. Next. is always a challenge for the student. When we are having any game in the class, we should grade the student. We should give badges to the student. And when the student play the game, their level also increases. They set their level where they stand, and after that what strategy they have to follow to win that game. So all these things are there in the game. They become more creative and they are more responsive in the class also. Next. So here this is a video of a game. This is a brain game. So here
Scientists have proven that riddles help you boost your thinking
I'm
abilities.
going to show you this video. After this video, I will ask you some questions. So you have to see this video very carefully. It is a game. It is a brain game, memory game, which develops the memory of the student also.
And improve your attention span. Are you ready to solve some puzzles that flex your brain muscles? Number 1. We'll start with the warm-up. I'll give you 10 seconds to tell which glass has more water in it.
So you will get 10 seconds. You have to solve this.
1, 2, 3, 4,
C.
5, 6,
C.
7, 8, 9, 10. Raise your hand.
C.
Only raise your hand.
C.
Only raise your hand. And
Yes,
here,
ma'am. B. No, one more. Yes, ma'am. Come on, ma'am.
which glass has more water? Yes.
Yes.
D.
No, I am confusing. B is the right answer. So you are.
Anuja
B is the right answer. Please clap.
Please show the answer.
They all look identically full to me. Could it be
Physics and
that
math
easy?
we can answer.
The correct
This
answer
game
is glass
is
B.
a maths
The
also.
system.
It is a measurement where student will learn the measurement also. So the correct answer is B.
Anuja ma'am.
1 second.
All the head coordinators, please check your department. Are they all present? Teachers. Just stand up and check.
The eraser and watch are in there for a reason. Compared to the other objects, the paperclip takes up the least amount of
Anyone missing
space.
from any
If you take all,
Now this is second question for you.
not to get hypnotized by this next riddle. One
This
of
is the question.
One of the spiral.
Only raise your hand.
Only one.
Okay, that Yasmin ma'am has raised the hand first.
Yes, Yasmin ma'am.
First one or second one?
Second one.
First or second?
Right.
And Yasmin ma'am. Yes. Okay, sir. Please show the answer.
the spirals here consists of 2 separate parts. Can you tell which one? You know the drill. 10 seconds on the clock. The spiral on the right, even though it looks pretty much
Second one.
Has given the correct answer.
For reward for you, ma'am. Please clap. Please clap.
that's identical to the left one, actually consists. Scientists have
So these type of games we can have in the class also for 1 or 2 minutes. This will increase the interest of the students also. Like first game I have shown you where you have to memorize the words. So that game we can use in English and Hindi where students have to learn types of pronouns, types of nouns. We can show that image on the smart board. We can use that games in maths also where students have to learn trigonometric identities, formulas, and so in so many subjects we can use. In chemistry where students have to learn elements, so we can show on the smart board. When they will see on the smart board, it's more interesting for them to learn and it is a challenge for them also. Next.
Benefits of gamification. Gamification in learning involve using game-based elements such as point score, pre-completion, teamwork, score table to drive engagement, help students assimilate new information, their this knowledge.
So benefits of gamification, first one is cognitive development. When they are having games, the brain power of the student is developed. That comes under cognitive development. Next one is their engagement and connection in the class also increases. When their learning experience is personalized, they learn in better way, adds in accessibility in the classroom. Next. So here is again one game. So all of you watch this. So now I request Sister Principal and Vice Principal. Okay, so anyone else?
You can take your and one more.
Any teacher?
Dorothy. Eyes, mouth, head, shoulder, eye, head, shoulder, hanging. Okay, so this is Dorothy ma'am, and some motivational report.
So this type of games we can have in the class also for 1 or 2 minutes. It will interest the students and their interest in the studies will also increase. Now next one, issues. There are always some issues related with the gamification. As people don't understand the concept of gamification, they go with the traditional method of teaching, like going in the class, what you have studied, what we will do today. Instead of having games and activities in the class, they follow their traditional method of teaching only. So here the gamification lacks. Next one is lack of planning and strategy. If planning and strategy is not there, then also the gamification approach cannot be applied in teaching learning process. And the unrealistic expectations are there from the teachers and parents. Lack of content. If the content is not proper, then also the gamification cannot be carried out in learning and teaching process. Next is again one video. It is a brain game. So you have to use your brain. It is a memorizing game. If your memory power is more, then you can give the answer. So you have to watch, then you have to tell the answer. Where was it?
Six. Okay.
All motivation.
All
So these type of small games we can have daily in the class for 1 or 2 minutes. There are so many videos available on the YouTube. We can download from there and we can play in the class. Next. Now how to gamify your lesson.
rules, goals, category, achievement, mystery, fun, calibration, progress, appreciation.
So how can you gamify your lesson? First is set rules. You have to see what kind of students are in the class, where they are lacking, okay, what is to be needed in the class. According to that we set the rules. Then create leaderboard. Teacher is always a leaderboard. Teacher tells everything in the class, what student have to do, how they have to do. Next one is create narrative. Teacher has to explain everything, give all the information, how the activity or game is to be carried out in the class. Immediate feedback. After that, feedback has to be given in the form of grades or in the form of badges to the student, so that it can motivate them to play next games like that. Next. So this is our last game. It is an illusion game. You have to watch the image. if you are able to identify the images, then you are having a creative mind and your brain works faster. Which color can you see? How many can see this as white and gold? Raise your hand.
White and
How
gold.
many of you can see this dress as white and gold?
White and gold.
So only two, one, two.
I can see white and gold.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many can see that this as black and blue?
Black and blue.
Yes. So this is one curiosity game, critical thinking. So if we give this in the class, so student will search. They will research why. If there are 50 students in the class, 20 can see this dress is white and gold. 30 can see this as black and blue. As all here, all cannot see the same color. Some are watching this as white and gold, some are watching this as black and blue. So this is one critical thinking why this happens. This is related to science. So this is an assignment for can search. Now identify this. Only raise your hand if you can identify both the images. Who has raised first? Okay, Sama ma'am has raised the hand first. Dog and parrot. Dog and parrot.
Bird. Dog and
It can
bird.
be any bird. So if you are able to identify both the images within 10 seconds, so your brain works faster and you are having a creative mind. Next. See this? Stuti ma'am will raise the hand first.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
And
Black lines.
Black lines.
Answer only sister, please.
So if you are able to identify both
Yes.
scissors and black lines.
Reward for you. Let's clap.
I have to share with all because all were giving the answer.
So these type of small games we can have in the class. This will increase the curiosity of the students also. And there are so many videos available on the YouTube. We can show to the student for 1 or 2 minutes in the class in the form of activity, so that they can have fun in the class also and their interest in the class will also increase. And which game teacher will bring in next class, they will have more attention in the class also. So this is all about today. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good.